LinkTransformer, a unified package for scalable record linkage with transformer language models. Record linkage often forms the bedrock of empirical research in social science, industry, and government. Edit distance is popularly used due to the easy interface on R, Pandas, or Stata. Language models, as we will show, are great at linking records, especially for those records that are semantically rich. Existing solutions, on the other hand, would require a fair bit of coding experience outside of standard social science toolkits. Moreover, they tend to focus mostly on commercial applications. We can frame record linkage as finding the nearest neighbor of a record in one dataset into another dataset. Link Transformer is easy to use with a concise interface like R, Pandas, and Stata, and supports all languages that have a pre-trained language model. All models from Hugging Face and OpenAI are supported, and it supports merges, aggregation, deduplication, clustering, classification, and training your own linkage models, all in one line of code. We tried performance of LT, OpenAI, and SBERT models on a whole range of tasks from social sciences. We have company linkage from Wikidata aliases. We have product linkage, product to industry classifications, product aggregation from find to course categories from United Nations trade data. And we see that these language models do outperform edit distance by a wide margin. Setup is easy with 2 lines of code, and it works on Colab with a minimal install. Merging data sets with link transformers is easy. You can specify the data frames of interest, variables of interest, and a base model, and that's it. Training your own model is also super easy. We have this example where we're linking tariff data from 1947 to 48. All you need to do is to specify a base model of interest that you fine-tune, variables of interest, and that's it. And you can upload your model to Hugging Face and share it with the world. Thank you. We have detailed tutorials on our website, and please stay tuned for more updates.